Hey everyone, just wanted to record this video demo showing Payroll Control Center how to kind of create a KPI using managed configuration. So in a previous video, I actually created a scenario explaining garnishments. And so just to use that as an example, I'm going to create a new KPI tile for that. So I'll start with an existing KPI so you can kind of search what you're looking for here. So I'm going to look for one for gross pay amounts compared to previous period. And I'll take this one right here. Right here. I'm going to take this, click into it, and what you can do is basically use this as the starting point. So I'm going to take this and copy it. So now I have a copy, which you'll see here. I can edit this. What I'll be doing is changing the ID here, so I will call this Z99, let's call it some garnishment Imran. Then I'll change this and call it garnishment amounts compared to the previous pay period. I do need to select a transport, so I have one here. And then the big thing is, as this stands right now, I can kind of preview this using the cool SAP functionality. Look at this, and with how this is set up right now, I need to activate it first, actually. So if I activate it and then preview it, you can see it has a gross pay total instead of 716,000 based upon my payroll results, but I want to actually change this. And so first thing I'll do is this is the header text. And so I'm going to come in here and change this. And we'll just call this garnishment. Then I'll come over here, and the biggest thing I'm changing is the wage type. So I'm going to use the /G03 just as an example, which is the garnishment sum. So this is going to show really like summed up data for a garnishment. So /G03, I'm going to do, I have to do this twice because it's kind of covering 2 pay periods. And then I can activate this. And the cool thing, this preview functionality, which I know I've demoed before, I can pick a data set like my US, and you can see I have 819.60. Some of you who've watched my past video might remember this, and this is the amount that I created in my scenario. And now I'm going to take this a step further and actually create a drill down for this. And so I'm going to go to my analytics designer, and once again I'm going to start with an existing drill down. And so what I'm going to select is type in I'm going to get a list of employees with gross employees with gross. That's the one I was looking for. Okay. List employees with gross amounts over 6 periods. So I can select this, and I'll take this one, come into it. Once again, I'm going to come here and copy this. Here's my new one. Come into my new one, change this, list of 6, garnish, and list of employees with garnishment. Select my transport. Nope, just overrode it. I think I didn't. List of employees with garnishment. Right. Okay, and so now one of the big things I have to do is, as I come down here, I do need to change the wage type. So just like I did with the other one, I'm going to change this to /G03. change this to slash G03. And so this allows me to have the tile, but then have a drill down where I can tab another level of details. And so since I am looking across 6 periods, I need to do this 6 times. So slash G03. Make sure I pick the right one. Just a couple more. Slash G03. And now one more. Slash G03. Okay, so I got that here. Come up here at the top. Select transport. I think I need that. Activate this. Now I can actually preview this. We'll see what this looks like. Preview. Select my recurrence. And if you expand this, you can actually see, here's my list. So I copied this from one that already have it, but boom, my employee, Michael Tremblay. You might remember him from my last video. And here's his summed up garnishment, 8/19/60, which, by the way, matches my tile. All right, did all that in much less than 10 minutes. How cool is that? Thanks for watching.